Ladies and gentlemen, I am here with the man, the myth, the legend, Larry Tibbs of M2 Woodworking?
Lumber.
M2 Lumber. I'm awful with names, guys, and I ran into too many of them. Now, Larry has been honestly one of my favorite people to talk to today, and this is his first year here at Workbench Con.
Correct.
Now, you are, you obviously are a skilled craftsman, and you are here with...
I'm here with Matt Morgan, who is why we are called M2 Lumber.
That makes perfect sense. Now, I would say, I don't know if Matt, I remember if Matt said he's been here more than once.
He has been here. He didn't come last year, but he was here the year before.
Gotcha, that's what it is. So, you joining Matt this year, how's that been for you?
Well, for me, it was very interesting. I honestly thought I would learn more about different products and things, and there weren't as many products, but what I did learn about was more of the content creation, meeting some of the content creators, some of the people that I have looked at their work for a couple of years, and finding out, they're very real people, which, sometimes is surprising, because
right.
Some of them are not, but everybody here has been very nice to me, and everybody's real free with their information, and everybody wants everybody here to learn how to make money, which is pretty unusual in many other businesses.
Yeah.
And
that's something that you brought up exactly, is that a lot of people here they give out the information for free. Like, you're here, you take a class and you sit on, and they want to help you succeed. And what's that like, as as a craftsman who's been doing this long enough and really seeing that nobody's holding any secrets? There's no gatekeeping.
Well, I think that's part and parcel of woodworking. Mm-hmm. Woodworkers want other woodworkers to make good products, and they'll do anything to help you out. I mean, there's all kinds of different things around, and people will tell you about them, which I think is wonderful. And I think it builds the industry as a whole.
I agree, and I think that if one succeeds, we all succeed, because if one person does a great project and someone else is on the other side of the country and they say, well, hey, I saw this online, can you make something like that? We can go, well, we can try, or we can.
Right. But, first of all, we all have to understand that the market is large. Many people, when they see the products that can be made, because we have grown away from the colonial times when everything was made out of wood, because they didn't have a choice.
Right.
To now everything's made quickly. So when people see real wood, they're very surprised. Wow, that looks nice, or that is so smooth. Compared to going into a store and picking up $100 table. Mm-hmm. And wow, it's so light, it's so easy. Light. And now here's some piece of wood that is solid. It's not moving around on you. Mm-hmm. It's not going anywhere. Exactly. And it will last through your lifetime, into the kids' lifetime,
That's exactly what it is. We talk about that all the time, is that a lot of the slabs that we have and we drop these tables off of these houses, we're like, yeah, it probably comes with the house now. It'll last, I promise.
I'm very sure. When you come in with some of those slabs, we have slabs that are up to 50, 55 inches wide, 12 foot long. Right. And they're like 600 pounds, especially when you get the legs on them.
I was going to say, when you get the legs on them, that jumps up at least another 200 to 400.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I would leave it with the house. It would be sold with the house, no question. So,
would you come back again?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. First of all, it's very friendly, so you get to meet a lot of people. I've made a lot of friends that I believe that are here. I'm sure getting a chance to chat with them again, or even sometime later on. You send an email out to somebody, say, hey, it's so-and-so, we met at Workbench Con, and you get to get a little reminisce. People are familiar with the face, and everybody's always more friendly the second time around. Even no matter how much
Absolutely.
you know them, the second time around, you feel better, more comfortable. It's a lot more fun with them.
So with someone who's brand new and say they are an older generation of woodworkers, would you tell them and recommend them come on out?
Well, I'm an older generation of woodworkers because I know dirt that's younger. So I would certainly encourage them to come out. Absolutely. Because as an older woodworker, you've got a lot more time. So you can do things that take more time that the younger ones are trying to rush through. I don't have to rush through anything. I take my time. If it looks like it's going to be finished tomorrow, it'll be finished tomorrow. I won't worry about it.
That's excellent. Well, thank you so much, Larry, for sitting down and talking with us. Tell everybody where they can find you guys.
We are in Lawrence, South Carolina, which is just below Greenville. You can find us at m2lumber.com and on Instagram with M2Lumber. Look us up. We have some surprising things, and we always have something new for you.
Okay, Larry, last question for you. If somebody said, all right, I'm going to give you the money. I don't care what you make. I want you to make it. What do you make?
Well, I am a maple man. And I'm a maple man because maple comes in many different shades, colors. It can be light, it can be dark, it can be spalted, it can be curly. There's so many things that maple has. I mean, black walnut is black walnut. It is a king, but I don't think it's the greatest thing. So I would make somebody a nice maple table would be my preference.
Awesome. Thank you again so much, Larry, for sitting down with us.
Thank you for having me.
Have a great one. Everybody, you guys go check out Larry and Matt. Oh, Matt?
Yes.
Yes, all right, that's what I thought. Matt over at M2. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Brandon.